Hello dear friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel where creativity meets styles. By my channel Beauty is Joy Forever. In this video, I invite you to immerse yourself in the world of long floral summer nail art designs. Embrace the warm, sunny vibes and let your nails blossom with the sense of nature's finest bloom. These delightful designs are perfect for adding a touch of sophistication and charm to your summer looks. So guys, don't miss the chance to flaunt your exceptions exceptional styles this summer with these long floral nail art designs. Join me by this channel on this artistic adventure and let the beauty of the nature elevate your nail game to the next level. So guys, get ready to enchant the world with your newfound nail art power. Happy summer nail painting. So, dear friends, get ready to express your unique personality through your nails with a stunning blend of summer's most delightful flowers. Dive into this video and let your creativity bloom alongside the unique floral patterns. Make sure to like and subscribe my channel and share this video to your friends and family members to stay updated with the latest nail art trends and creative inspiration. So guys, join my channel and guide in this channel a mesmerizing journey of intricate floral pattern showcasing the versatility of the long nails. From delicate, unique and vibrant hibiscus, these designs captures the spirit of summer and bring it to life on your fingertips. So guys, you will be amazed by this video. You can see that the fashion of the colors, textures and artistic techniques, making each nail a tiny masterpiece on your fingertips. So dear viewers, join us on this channel and hit the bell icon button to updated all like these videos. By this video, I can understand and you can pick the different unique floral patterns showcasing the versatility of the long nails from these delicating and very unique ideas. Dear viewers, discover the various nails art styles including hand painting, floral, 3D embellishments, watercolor effects. All these are found in this video. Thanks for watching.